Welcome back to Northwood's Garage. So today, I'm kind of hunched in the truck here because the wind's blowing and don't want that bad audio. But, so today, we're going to be fixing the Chevy 1500. So, nothing to it but to do it. Let's get after it.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all.
Big fight. There we go. Let's go. Alright. You're probably thinking to yourself, fix it. You know, there's a ton wrong with it. And you're definitely right. There is a ton wrong with it. But we're going to fix one of my main concerns right now, which is the gas tank. So, you can see my ratchet straps are starting to come off. We got another one, the camel one there, and strapped up under the frame a little more. But we got that red one there and a camel one. And so we're gonna attempt to raise this up a little more. And then this cross member that's rusted out, which held the gas tank up in the back, we gotta grind a bit off. And I'm not gonna drop the gas tank. It's a little too much for me to do without proper equipment, and I'd like to have someone else here to help me with that. So we're not going to drop the gas tank. So I have some supplies to hopefully make this go smoothly. Cross our fingers. And so I went to Menards and I got the heavy duty aluminum foil. We're going to put this over our gas tank. We're going to do a bunch of layers of this. And we're gonna wrap it up real good so I can grind right above the gas tank there with limited sparks, trying to ignite things just in case. And then I got more metal cutting discs, cheap ones because you don't need anything expensive. Got some duct tape to hold on the aluminum foil. Power strip disc for paint and rust. You know, might come in handy sometime. And we got heavy duty ratchet strap to secure it a little, quote, more permanently. So, let's get to it. Alright, so I went and took the tire off here so we could get a little bit better look under here. And so I got the jack set up underneath the gas tank. I'm going to jack it up, remove these two straps, slowly lower this side down, and then you can kind of have a better view if you go back through here of the cross member right here that rusted out. So we just got to grind the rest of that off on the other side of the frame. Alright, let's get these jack stands off. Get the ratchet straps off here. So upon further review here, we got the ratchet straps off there. And so I jacked this thing up to get the ratchet straps out. And well, I think if I'm looking at this correctly, when we were looking at this summer, it looked like that I was gonna have to grind this piece off and a bit of the cross member, but I jacked it up and I checked, you know, I can see through there on the other side. You know, I went on to the other side, and it looks as if that if I jack it up like this, strap the new strap on, I think we're good to full send it. It doesn't look like it's rubbing at all in any spots. Gas tank looks to be in good shape yet, so I believe we should be able to just have it this height here, and we should be able to just strap it up, and we should be able to be good to go. So that makes me happy that I don't have to worry about blowing myself up today, and glad I didn't have to take the grinder out. I mean, I was fully prepared to, but I'm glad I don't. So yeah, good news for that. Yeah, I mean, I think we just strap this new one on, pop the tire back on, and she's ready to go. Let's get it. Alright folks, we got it all buttoned up here. I can pull away the jack. We got the strap all strapped up here, secure. It's not going anywhere, I don't think. And we got it zip tied here. Got the rest of it all zip tied up nice up above the gas tank. And I don't think that thing's gonna go anywhere. So we can probably go ahead and get the tire back on now, and gonna give her a test drive, I think. Alright, she started out. We don't have any leaks. Tires back on, and I think we're good to go. Well, still says low fuel. I don't know what it is, but when ever since that cross member rusted out and the fuel tank was hanging there, oh, now the fuel gauge just went back up. And the low fuel light comes on at idle, and sometimes while I'm driving, it'll come on and the gauge will say empty, but, you know, I know there's gas in it, but just a weird thing. I was hoping it would fix itself, but you never know. A couple 100 miles down the road, it might. Alright, I think that's going to be the end of the day for this one. Thank you for tagging along as I attempt to fix this old bucket of rust sitting there. Alright, until next time, drive safe. Looking forward to more content like this. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.